magic never vanished. It simply learned a new language, and the moment you speak it, the machine listens. Walk with me. Most people type code as command. Watch this. An idea in your mind becomes text in the world. Nothing else in life reacts this fast to pure thought. This is the first sign of magic. A machine that talks back is not science fiction. You can create it in seconds. The machine listens. The machine answers. You have written its first spell. This is not random code. This is interaction, the foundation of every app, every bot, every system. Magic becomes clearer. Now you decide how the world behaves. With one condition, you change the outcome of an entire program. This is the same logic that powers authentication systems, AI decisions, game paths, and user choices. Cause, effect, and control. Logic is the wand. Creation can be tiny but powerful. just created a sequence, a moment-by-moment progression that did not exist a second ago. This is the logic behind loading bars, game turns, countdown systems, automation loops, and notifications. You summon time, repetition, and control. This is the power of loops. Magic becomes real when it does something helpful. Observe. It analyzes, decides, and reveals. A tiny tool created out of nothing that solves a real problem instantly. This is how every real application begins. Small, simple, and effective. Creation is the purest magic. Coding gives you the powers people once imagined only wizards had. You create something from nothing. You command a system. You shape behavior with rules. You see patterns that others miss. You build tools that others rely on. You speak a language only initiates understand. But unlike fantasy, this magic is real. And anyone who chooses this path can use it. You are not just learning to code, you are learning to create. Before you continue on this path, before you learn to shape logic like clay, you must complete a small ritual. Simple exercise, the quiet doorway, not to test your strength, but to awaken your awareness. In the next moment, you will craft a tiny program in Python, a program that listens, waits, and responds. A reminder that even the smallest line of code is a pact between your mind and the machine. Prepare your editor, breathe, and begin. You have taken another step, a small one, but no step on this journey is insignificant. With a few lines, you created something that did not exist before. You asked the machine a question and it answered. Mark this moment. Every great programmer, every master of logic began with simple rituals like this. If this tiny spell felt powerful, remember, it is only the beginning. The journey is the goal.